Understanding the difference between bacteria and viruses. 1. Nature and structure. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms with a simple cellular structure that includes a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and genetic material contained within a single circular chromosome. They can be found in various environments, including soil, water, and the human body. In contrast, viruses are not considered living organisms but rather infectious particles consisting of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, enclosed in a protein coat called a capsid. They lack cellular structure and rely on host cells to replicate. 2. Reproduction and growth. Bacteria reproduce independently through binary fission, a process where a single bacterium divides into two identical daughter cells under favorable environmental conditions. They can also exchange genetic material through horizontal gene transfer, such as conjugation, transformation, and transduction. Viruses, on the other hand, cannot reproduce on their own and require a host cell to replicate. They inject their genetic material into host cells, hijacking cellular machinery to produce new viral particles. 3. Size and visibility. Bacteria are larger and more complex than viruses, typically ranging in size from 0.2 to 10 microns, in diameter. They can be observed under a light microscope due to their cellular structure. Viruses are much smaller, usually ranging from 20 to 400 nanometers, nm, and are visible only under an electron microscope due to their size and structure. 4. Genetic makeup. Bacteria possess their own genetic material in the form of DNA or RNA contained within a chromosome. They have the ability to metabolize nutrients, grow, and adapt to changes in their environment. Viruses have a minimal genetic makeup consisting of either DNA or RNA, which contains instructions for viral replication within host cells. They lack the cellular machinery necessary for independent metabolism or growth. 5. Host interaction. Bacteria interact with their environment and host organisms in various ways, ranging from symbiotic relationships, mutually beneficial, to pathogenic interactions, causing diseases. Some bacteria are essential for human health, such as those found in the gut microbiota aiding in digestion. In contrast, viruses are obligate intracellular parasites that infect specific host cells, causing diseases in animals, plants, bacteria, and archaea. 6. Antibiotic sensitivity. Bacteria can be sensitive to antibiotics, which are drugs that target bacterial cell structures or processes to inhibit their growth or kill them. Antibiotics are commonly used to treat bacterial infections in humans and animals. Viruses, however, do not respond to antibiotics because they lack cellular structures targeted by these drugs. Antiviral medications are used to treat viral infections by targeting specific viral components or processes. 7. Disease types and transmission. Bacterial infections can cause a wide range of diseases in humans and animals, such as strep throat, tuberculosis, and urinary tract infections. They can spread through direct contact, contaminated food or water, insect bites, or respiratory droplets. Viral infections lead to illnesses such as influenza, common colds, HIV, AIDS, and COVID-19. Viruses are typically transmitted through respiratory droplets, bodily fluids, contaminated surfaces, or insect vectors. 8. Environmental impact. Bacteria play essential roles in various ecosystems, such as nutrient cycling, decomposition, and symbiotic relationships with plants and animals. They contribute to soil fertility, wastewater treatment, and bioremediation of pollutants. Viruses also influence ecological processes by infecting organisms at different trophic levels, impacting population dynamics and biodiversity in marine and terrestrial ecosystems. 9. Research and medical importance. Research on bacteria and viruses is crucial for understanding microbial diversity, evolution, antibiotic resistance, viral evolution, and host pathogen interactions. Medical research focuses on developing vaccines, antibiotics, and antiviral drugs to combat infectious diseases and mitigate public health threats posed by bacterial and viral pathogens. 10. Future challenges and opportunities. Ongoing advancements in microbiology, genomics, and bioinformatics are essential for addressing emerging infectious diseases, antimicrobial resistance, and global health challenges associated with bacterial and viral infections. Collaboration between scientists, healthcare professionals, and policymakers is key to developing effective strategies for prevention, treatment, and control of microbial threats worldwide.